This is the Rubbermaid Power Scrubber Home Kit, my favorite tool in the house. It's a very simple but powerful little tool. You just push that red button up to turn it on, and it already comes with 4 AA batteries. The ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to hold. In my opinion, the complete home kit is worth it because you have a variety of cleaning brush heads to choose from. This is a grout head that's great for corners and little crevices. Changing to the Velcro head, the refill pads stick on pretty well. The blue one is the scrubber pad and the white one is a microfiber pad. In this video, we'll be cleaning my dirty water filter. Yes, it's quite filthy and embarrassing and gross that my water filter has gotten this bad, but at least we'll see how well the power scrubber can clean with all these little corners and crevices. I'm starting off with the large brush head just to give it a full scrub all around. The oscillating head scrubs 60 times per second with 6 volts of power. So it definitely made it easier and faster to clean since I didn't have to use much pressure or strength cleaning it. After cleaning the majority of the surface, I'm going to have to change the head to the grout head to get in small spaces and try to get those little white sediments out. This power scrubber and brush head was perfect for deep cleaning this filter. There was a lot of gunk that came out of the inside and especially in these 2 little holes in here. If you remember how bad this filter looked in the beginning, then I think we could all agree that it did a pretty great job cleaning it while saving time. You can see how clean the crevices are now. The grout head was able to get out a lot of the gunk in here, in these little holes around here, and especially inside of here. What I like most about the power scrubber is not only that it's water resistant, but I can use one tool to clean the kitchen and bathroom just by changing the brush heads. And this is all I used.